Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. Today we will continue this session here with exercise 6.3, question number 1. The first question, children, is given to us: find. What we have to find? We have to find the value of these numbers here. We have to simplify them and get. Use the rules of plus and minus, children. Only when you learn the rules, it will be easy for you to simplify the given integers. The first one given to us is 35 minus 20. So children, 35 minus 20 here, one is 35, there is no sign. So we always take it as positive, right? So two different signs, that means we have to subtract the given integers, and when we subtract 20 from 35, children will get our answer as 15. It will be positive integer. Why? Because 35 is a greater number with the positive sign. Second one, 72 minus 90. Children, here 72 is a positive integer and 90 is having minus, that is negative integer. That means two opposite signs we have got together here. So we have to subtract the numbers according to the rules. So when we subtract 72 from 90, I will get 18. But here, as 90 is having the negative sign, which is, and 90 is the greater number, so my answer will be negative. So the answer finally will reach to is minus 18. Next, number third, minus 15 minus 18. Children, whenever you have the first thing, you have to simplify the two signs given together here. So according to that, the next step, children, you will have minus 15 minus, it will become plus 18. Now both the numbers are having unlike sign, so we will subtract them. So when we subtract, we will get 3, a positive integer, because 18 is a greater number with the positive sign. Let us go to the next. Minus 20 minus 13. Children, here minus 20 and minus 13 are having same sign. So according to the rules, the integers having same sign, we add them and put the same sign. Okay, so 20 plus 13, you will get 33, and we have to put the same sign, that is minus. So finally our answer will be minus 33. Next, 23 minus 12. Two signs are together here, children, again. So what will make it, simplify it according to the rules? Two signs, similar signs side by side will give us positive sign. So what will be our next step? 23 minus, it will become plus 12. Now both the numbers are having positive signs, so we will add them. So we will get finally our answer to 35. Next, minus 32 minus 40. So here, children, again we have two signs placed side by side. Both the signs are same, so it will give us a positive sign, right? So minus 32 plus 40. Why plus? Minus plus. Okay. So when we look at this step, minus and plus, two unlike signs. So we have to subtract the numbers and put the sign of greater number. So when we subtract 32 from 40, we will get 8. And as 40 is the bigger number with positive sign, my answer will also be positive only, that is plus 8. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with greater, smaller or equal to sign. Children, here LHS and RHS side are given to us. We have to solve and simplify this, and we have to find which side is greater, and we have to put appropriately the given sign here. Okay, so let us start first with LHS, that is minus 3 plus minus 6. Okay, children, when we solve that, minus 3 plus minus will give minus. So now you can see both the sign having same. So we will add them and put the same sign, we will get minus 9. Let us see for RHS. Minus 3 minus 6. So minus, it will become plus. So minus 3 plus 6. Again both the numbers have that unlike sign. Subtract them and put the greater number sign. So we will get our answer as 3. Okay. Now minus 9 and minus 3. LHS we got minus 9. You can see here and RHS we got 3. That means a positive number is always greater than the negative number. That means RHS is greater. Okay. So, which number will be greater here children here? This side. Okay. Let us see what is next. Minus 21 minus 10, that is on LHS side here, and minus 31 plus minus 11 is on the right hand side. Let us simplify both. So, minus 21 minus plus. Okay. Now, here two unlike signs with both the integers, we will subtract them and put the sign of greater number. So, subtracting them both, I will get my result as minus 11. So, because 21 is the bigger number with minus sign. Right hand side children, minus 31 plus minus, it will change to minus and 11. So, minus 31 minus 11 are the two integers having the same sign. So, we will add the given integers and put the same sign. So, 31 plus 11 will get 42 and the same sign, that is minus 42. So, among these two, minus 11 and minus 42 children, which is greater? Yes, minus 11. That means you can say the left hand side is greater. So, we will put our sign towards left hand side. Let us see what is next to us. 45 minus 11 given to on the left hand side, 57 plus minus 4 given on the right hand side. Let us simplify each side. So, minus it will come to plus. So, 45 plus 11 we will get as the second step. Simplifying them children, both are having positive sign. So, what we will have to do it? We have to add, and when we add both of them, we will get our answer as 56. Now, let us simplify the right hand side. 57 plus minus 4. Okay. Now, these two integers are having opposite sign, that they are unlike signs. So, we will subtract them and put the sign of the greater number. So, when we subtract, we will get our answer as 53, because 57 is the bigger number. So, we will have the positive number only. Okay. Now, 56 and 53 we got our answer. Now, you can judge very easily which number is greater children? 56. That means 56 is on which side? It is the answer to left hand side. So, we will put our sign towards left hand side, the greater number. Let us see what is next. Minus 25 minus 42, that is on the left hand side, minus 42 minus 25 given on the right hand side. Now, simplifying left hand side, minus 25 minus will change to plus and 42. Now, minus 25 and plus 42, two opposite sign. So, in that condition, we will subtract them and put the sign of positive, because 42 is greater here. So, when we subtract, we will get our answer as 17. Now, talking about right hand side. Right hand side children, we have minus 42 plus, why? Because minus it will become plus. So, minus 42 plus 25, here also both the integers again have the opposite sign now. So, we will subtract them and put the greater number sign, that is 42. So, subtracting both, I will get my answer as minus 17. Now, one we got positive and one we got negative. Both our numbers are same, 17, 17. But obviously children, we know that the negative integers are smaller than positive ones, right? That means 17, that is positive 17 is greater, which is the LHS side, putting the sign towards that. Let us go to the next. Fill in the blanks. Children, here we have to find what will be the answer here to fill this gap here. Minus 8 plus dash equal to 0. Children, what we will put to get 0? 1 is minus 8. So, only when we put plus 8, we will get our answer as 0. Next, 13 plus dash equal to 0. Now I have to add something to 13 so that I get my answer as 0. Only when I put my answer as here minus 13, I will get my answer as 0, children. Okay. Now next here, 12 plus minus 12. Children, plus minus, what you will get it here? So 12 minus 12 we will get. What is 12 minus 12? 0, right? So let us go for the next one here. Minus 4 plus dash equal to minus 12. Children, what I add to minus 4 so that I get my result as minus 12. Children, you can see that if I add minus 8 here, I will get my result as minus 12. Okay. So you can see when I have added minus 8 to minus 4 so that I get my result as minus 12. Next one, dash minus 15 equal to minus 10. I have to subtract a number from 15 such that I will get my result as minus 10. As the result is negative, children, that means 15 I have to put it as the greater number. Whatever number I select here, that has to be a smaller one. Okay. So what I subtract from 15 to get 10? Yes, children, that is 5. Okay. Let us move to further. Question number 4. Find. Here also we have to simplify the given integers here using the plus minus rule. Minus 7, minus 8, minus 25. Children, two signs here together. So the next step we will get it as minus 7, minus 8, minus plus 25. These two numbers have same sign. So add them together. When we add, we will get minus 15. Minus 15 plus 25. Both the numbers have opposite sign, so we will subtract. We have subtracted here. We got our answer as 10. It will be positive because 25 is the greater number here. Next, minus 13 plus 32, minus 8 minus 1. Children, here first let us add all the negative integers, that is minus 8, minus 1 and minus 13. All the three are the negative integers, so we will add them together. So when we add them together, what we will get it as? Minus 22. And what is left out there? 32. So you can see here 32 minus 22 I have done here. Here both the integers have the opposite sign, so I will subtract them, and when I subtract, I will get my answer as 10, which is a positive integer, because 32 here is a positive integer. Let us go for the next one. Minus 7 plus minus 8 plus minus 90. Children, here two signs are together. Simplify them according to the rules. So when we simplify, you can see you will get minus 7 plus minus 8, again plus minus 90. Here all the three are negative integers, children. That means you have to add all the three and put the same sign. So adding all the three together, I will get 105 and putting the same sign. Finally, my answer will be minus 105. Okay, let us go to the next one. 50 minus 40 minus 2. Here two signs together, children. Simplify them in the next step. So when you simplify, 50 minus plus 40, again minus plus 2. All of them are positive integer. Add them together and put the same sign, that is plus. So finally our answer will be 92, that is plus. So children, with this we end this session. Hope you understood the rules of plus and minus. Study well, and I will see you in the next part. Thank you.